What's up, you guys? Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to start selling on Amazon and how the whole process works. So the first thing you want to do when starting selling on Amazon and growing a long-term business is, of course, you want to start creating your Amazon Seller Central account. This is what you're going to be using to sell on Amazon. It's a little bit different than the app that we normally use when we do shopping. Instead, you're going to do this either ideally on a laptop. It's just way more better, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it right now to start your whole process with selling on Amazon and start making your own business. So in front of me here is the website when it comes to selling on Amazon. You're going to go to sell.amazon.com, and this is Amazon Seller Central. This is what you're going to use to pretty much get your business going. You don't need an LLC to get started. You can literally sign up under your own name and learn the whole process from there. So what I like about this is that they have two different pricings when it comes to selling on Amazon. They have the individual and the professional. The individual is not a monthly membership. You can literally sign up without having to pay monthly. And this allows you to get access to the Seller Central platform, so you can learn more about how the whole platform works and you can start navigating through it, because when you first start, you're going to be a little bit confused when it comes to what to do with it, because you're new, and of course this is a lot of information to take in. So this is the first step that I would do if you're considering selling on Amazon. Sign up as an individual, and that way you can literally look and navigate through the Seller app. So let me go to Seller, click here. Let me log in really quick here to show you guys how it looks. And then it's gonna text me a code. A second. All right, and the code is 452044. I'm gonna sign in. And now this is how the app, the Seller Central, is gonna look for you guys. So you can go through here and pretty much navigate through all of this. They have a bunch of tabs here where you can navigate through, and you can see inventory, shipments, FBA inventory, remote fulfillment, all of that stuff is all here for you. And what you're gonna use, it's gonna look very similar to this in a way. You can see the sales from today so far, and look at yesterday's sales, a little bit over 3,000. And what you're going to be doing is building a long-term business when it comes to selling on Amazon. So the next thing you're going to do is, after you make your Seller Central account of like how I just showed you, then you're going to need to do product research. This is what you're going to be using to find the perfect product to sell on Amazon. You do not want to sell something that you're passionate about, or that you have maybe a random idea that, hey, maybe this could be good. Instead, do the due diligence, like take that initiative and time to get all the data when it comes to selling on Amazon. I have a whole video and a ton of videos about this on my channel. So if you want to learn more about like product research and get more deeply involved with selling on Amazon, just hit that subscribe button and just scroll through a couple of my videos. Look for Amazon product research, and it gets more involved with this. But you're going to use a platform and a software called Helium-10. It's a website that I use to pretty much keep in track of like the profits that I'm making with Amazon, how much my business is worth, what keywords am I ranking for with what products, and to know if I could either get ranked on the first page. I mean, it's ideal to have a software like this, because if you don't, you pretty much are in the blind with coming up with product ideas, knowing what to do, what not to do. If I didn't have this, this is crucial to have. If you want Helium-10, by the way, by any means, I'm gonna have a link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. It's usually on like all my videos. I have it there for you guys, so if you want to use it and get a discount code, you can. But let me show you exactly how it works with Helium-10 here. So this is the website. You just go to Helium-10 here, and they have a bunch of tools here for like Amazon. So this is Amazon product research, and this is how you find products that are good to sell on Amazon. You can track your keywords of what you're ranked on for what keywords of what products here. Cerebro is a really good one. This is how I know exactly how to get ranked on the first page. I have more videos on that on my channel. It does take a little bit of time to explain it, So yeah, this video is really brief to get you guys like the basic understandings of selling on Amazon. So, and then you can track your profits here, right? So you can track your profits on this page here, and I'm gonna just show you how my business has been growing. Today so far, 350, yesterday, the net profit, last 7 days, and last year's complete net profit. These are the sales, but what I really like to look for is the net profit and the profit margin. So you can see here, you want to make sure that this profit margin is above 35%. It's very, very important that the profit margin is above 35%. This you can see here is below 30, which is because I liquidated a bunch of products last year. And I do talk more about this, of that profit margin, on my product research video, because profit margin is like super important. Why is it important? Because like when I first started off, and most likely when you first start off, you're not gonna have that much money to get your business going. It's gonna take money to get this thing started, for sure. Like you can't build a business without investing, right? It's just what it is. So like there are other videos where they'll tell you like, you know, you don't need money, drop shipping. It's all pretty much a scam. I've been selling products and selling and working for myself for many, many years, like since I graduated high school, like just my whole entire life. And this Amazon business is like one of the solid businesses that you can actually create that's long-term. And you can see here, let me show you guys really quick. You can see here with a tool that I have, business valuation of what my business is currently worth that I can sell it for. It's currently worth 1.6 mil, which is insane. I'm planning on maybe selling it in the future, but that just shows you like what you're doing is building a long-term business. Because when I first started, I didn't have that much money. What I did was I got one product, and all the profits from that product I reinvested in the business, and I got the second product, and then I reinvested the third product, fourth product, fifth product, and just made a snowball effect from there. This is what you want to do when it comes to selling on Amazon and doing product research. You want to find a product that's not so competitive that you could get into, and that like you can grow a long-term business with it. So every year your business is going to grow hopefully 50 to 60% ideally, and then from there it's just going to keep compounding and keep growing, and then you can make another Amazon business, another one, and then yeah, next thing you know you have a very big business. So what you want to do is product sourcing and product research, and if you want to learn exactly how to do it, all that info is on my channel here, as well as on my free course. I have a full product research video and the do's and don'ts of what to do, what not to do, the Amazon fees that you're expected to pay, and everything when it comes to that, especially with products that you want to stay away from. All of that info on that course right there for you guys is free. Nothing is needed. You can literally click that and get started right away, and all the content as well is for free for you guys on my channel to help you guys out. If you have any questions regarding anything, any questions regarding Amazon, just leave a comment down below. I'll answer them and help you guys out as much as I can. So next thing with product research, right, is after you find the product that you want to start selling, let's say you're going to use this tool, Helium 10, you're going to click black box, and you're going to find some stuff that you're going to look for. See, like with this type of stuff here, we can go on Amazon, right? And I want to show you pretty much an example I use in a lot of my videos. Eyelash extension glue. It's one of these. Let's look here. Look at this one here. This one is selling for $21. They sold 4,000 units this month, bringing them in 30-day revenue, $151,000 in revenue just off this one product. And that's the potential when it comes to selling on Amazon. Something like this, very small and light, that gives you a high profit margin that you can grow a long-term business. And if you click here and you click to their store, you can see that this, like, look at this one, this other product that they're selling. Watch how much money they're generating every month. This is 30 days. Watch, you're not gonna believe this. $320,000 in 30 days from this one product. Just selling the most random stuff on Amazon. Now these people are making over $1 million profit selling products like this on Amazon. This is something that you can do as well. And what you need to do after you do your product research and find something that you can actually start selling and get into is you want to source that from China. You can source it from the US, but to get the best price, you would want to source it from China. For this type of product, it might be Korea, depends, but you would want to use Alibaba to find the supplier. So what I would do here is we would go to alibaba.com and let's type in that main keyword here. See, you can see I searched it earlier. Eyelash extension glue. And what you're gonna do is pretty much look for a supplier that's very similar to what you're looking for. I like to put the price at $4 max here. And then you're gonna look for suppliers that have been on Alibaba for, I would say, at least 5 years. If you get suppliers that are like 1 to 2 years, you might get a middleman that's not giving you the best price, like this right here. Ideally, what I like to do is deal with a long-term established business. So we're gonna keep looking here. Like this one here is 14 years. So we would click this one and we'll keep scrolling. And then what you want to do is contact a couple of these suppliers and ask them if you could get a sample of their product so you can test the quality of the product. And you would go here, and then at nighttime, so what I like to do is I like to contact these suppliers at nighttime. Ideally, I'm in Eastern time zone in Miami, so China's in the opposite time zone. So if it's 10 a.m. here, it's 10 p.m. over there. So they're not working. So what I do personally is I contact them at like 10 p.m. for me, so that it's like 10 a.m. over there, and they have live chat. So you can contact live with the sales team there, and they'll give you the price, the PDF for everything. They'll give you a bunch of info that you're asking for, and you get samples with those suppliers. What I do for all of my products before I start and I'm looking for a supplier is I find like 3 suppliers that have really good prices, good products, and I test all 3 of those products from different suppliers. So I would get a sample from here, test out, compare them, and pick the best product out of all of them, and then move forward with that. Then you're gonna make a shipment with the supplier. And before, like, how the whole thing gets started is they ask for a deposit. It's usually 30%, it's usually 50%, but you can negotiate it to 30%. So you give them 30% of the order, and then once the order is ready to be shipped to Amazon, you're gonna pay the remaining balance, which is gonna be the remaining 70%. And then you're gonna schedule it to be shipped overseas from China to Amazon's warehouse. I always do cargo shipment, and I teach you guys how to do that on my course and on my channel. And you're gonna schedule it through the Seller Central platform, schedule shipment, and that way it goes from China to Amazon's warehouse, and you don't have to deal with any products in your house or anything like that. Now the products, this is just an overview of exactly how it works. Now your products are in Amazon's warehouse, and then you get reviews for that product, you get it ranked to the first page, and then you start making a lot of money. It's really, there's a lot more steps to it, but that's ideally what happens. And like that is how you build a long-term business. And if you want to learn more, like all of those steps I'm mentioning are like separate videos on my channel and on my course where I teach you guys. Like I said, my course is free. A lot of basic info is on there for you guys, but I also have a more advanced course there as well. So the free course is really free, nothing is needed. You can start learning a bunch of content. And the advanced course is $99 a month. I try to make it monthly, that way it's affordable for everybody. It's only $99 compared to people charging for courses like $2,000 for a course, or I've seen a lot. I've seen really, really expensive. So I try to make it monthly, that way you can finish it in like 3 to 4 weeks and be done within, you know, learn Amazon. So if you're interested in pretty much learning the whole process, check out that free course. If you have any questions, I'll answer them or even make a video about it, answering the question to help you guys out. And that's about it. If you have anything you need, comment down below, like this video, I'd really appreciate it, and subscribe. And that's it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.